It is so crazy to me when people ask me like how our Target business is doing, and then I tell them that it's terrible.
That is terrible.
That people are shocked. They're like, oh my God. I'm like, yeah, our sales are down 30-40%.
Yeah, our sales are down 30-40%.
For shopping at Target, it's just the same.
Girl, I couldn't ignore this, okay? As someone who genuinely loves this brand and what it stands for, I couldn't sit back and watch this. So come here, let's review their latest launches by the Lip Bar.
You my twin, you my twin, you my treasure, the queen, you my twin.
Hey girl, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Larry, Lawrence, and welcome to the corner of the YouTube called Hot Mom World. We want to be a hot mom because we don't want to be a sad mom. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because it's free. We're gonna get into the Lip Bar launches that they recently had. I was recently gifted PR from them. The CEO of the Lip Bar just shared that sales are down. They are way down, and this is really due to the Target DEI boycott. A good amount of people, including myself, has stopped shopping at Target, which also means that a lot of brands in the stores are taking a hit. People have to shop more intentionally, which is what I've been doing. There's so many other places to shop besides Walmart, Target, and Amazon, girl. I'm just saying. So I thought it'd be super fun to get into these lip swatches, get into this product review, and help boost their sales. Girl, subscribe, and let's get into these new launches. So first we're gonna start with the no filler needed volumizing lip plumper launch. I'm gonna tell you, I was kind of concerned about this because it's a lip plumper, and y'all know them lip plumpers be burning your lips off.
No, God, please, no!
Comes in two colors. The first one is Candy Kisses and the next one is Sweet Talk. So first we're gonna start off with Sweet Talk. I have nothing on my lips, nothing, no lip liner, absolutely nothing. We're gonna do this with bare lips. That way you guys can see what the color payoff actually is. So when I apply lip gloss without a lip liner, I actually like to kind of line my lips first. And the doe foot applicator that's on here is really great for that. I love flat applicators like this because you get better precision. This is a volumizing lip plumper. It's got a blend of moisture boosting, ultra hydrating ingredients that'll have your palette looking fuller, juicier, and more luscious in seconds. 91% of users thought their lips looked fuller and more volumized. 85% of users felt this plumper gave the appearance of lip filler-like results, and 82% of users noticed instant results after using. 79% said they would choose no filler over getting lip filler. So girl, it is 2:03 and we're gonna do a time lapse. This is what my lips look like now, and we're gonna check back in 5 minutes and we're gonna see what it looks like. It has been 5 minutes, but here is what our lips look like. This is how plump my lips look, and it's noticeably plumper. Also, what I said, when the lip plumper is working, it has like a little bit of a tingling sensation. It doesn't feel burning. It's not painful, and I have very sensitive skin, and so for me, lip plumpers do not always work, but this one works every time, and I love the color payoff. I think it's perfect for summer. I think it's perfect year round. I think it's perfect, and my lips feel really moisturized. This lip plumper is a lip gloss, but it doesn't feel like a lip gloss. You know what I'm saying? It's very, very hydrating. So this is Candy Kisses. I wear this one to the office. It does have shimmer to it, but it's pretty low key. Very natural, very comfortable. You got a little bit of a tingle, but I wear this all the time. And any girl who's tried lip plumpers, a lot of times we only wear them when we're going out, okay? We want the girls to see us, okay? And they do a lot of tingle, they do a lot of burn, okay? They do a lot to get your lips plump. What I love about this one is my lips don't turn red. My lips never get irritated. I absolutely love this lip plumper line. I love these so much. Last but not least, for our PR unboxing haul is the newest lip line, the Prototype Botanical Lip Oil. I was so excited about these. When they asked me if I wanted this PR, I was like, yes. And I thought they were just gonna send me one, but girl, they sent me the whole set. Let's get into the specs. You guys know what you're buying because we know we're gonna go to lipbar.com and we're gonna purchase. It's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, packed with vitamin E, and has a very high shine level, full of moisture. What I love about lip oils is that they give you color payoff. Okay, they give you real color payoff, but they actually moisturize and kind of condition your lip. This color here is Can't Miss. This is the size of the product. It's a pretty good sized product. Here is the applicator. So we have a flat angled applicator. Ooh, it's very squishy. It's very squishy, very flexible. We love that. And then we're just gonna pump. That's the color. Ooh, look at that color, y'all. That is pretty. Y'all know for the review, we gotta get up close and personal. Like I said, there is nothing on my lips, okay? They're dry. Ooh, I think it's gonna look really good. I'm just gonna apply. Ooh. I'm shook. I'm shook because I can see the color. I did not think I was gonna really notice this on me at all. I was like, ooh, it might give like a tad bit purple, but it's like, it's giving purple, but it's not too purple, but you can definitely see it's purple, but it's like a wearable purple. With the hair, girl, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. And it's really comfortable. It's very hydrating. It's not sticky. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh my gosh. I did not think I was gonna be able to wear this. Okay, lip bar. Okay, this one's Can't Miss. Okay, Can't Miss. We can't miss this. Ooh, no. Okay. Y'all, we got 4 more to try. Next we have Obsessed. So this one looks like it's going to be like a pinky corally color. And so, you know, pinky corals are always in for summer, always. You're gonna see that. This is very natural also, just like the purple. This is really natural, but it also has something to it. It's got some color to it. And I really like that even from back here, you can see that my lips have a pink tint to them. Obsessed. Ooh, I don't know. We still like Can't Miss, but Obsessed. She's doing it. She's doing it for me. Next, we're gonna do this color. This is Fan Club. So this is looking like it's gonna be more of a nude, kind of peachy color. So we're gonna see how this works. So this one is very, very sheer. You want something where you are for sure, I can wear this wherever I go every day. I'm not gonna need no lip liner or nothing. I would try this one, but so far, they're all really, really wearable. And that's exciting. That's exciting, girl. We are 3 for 3. This next one is called One of One. It's like a plummy purple kind of color. So we're gonna see how this works. I like One of One a lot. It's a cute color. I like the color a lot. This one, I feel like is a lot more bold than the other ones. It's a lot more pigmented. I will say I could just wear it like this, but I could see you wanting to wear like a brown lip liner or wear like a red lip liner or something, because this is a little more dressed up than the other ones, but it's just as comfortable. If you want like the very like lip gloss look, you know what I'm saying? Like regular lip gloss that doesn't moisturize, but you want the moisture, this color. Last but not least, we are going to try their newest shade to the line. This one is called Crowd Pleaser. I'm really excited about this one because I love brown lip glosses. It gives me like 90s tease, 90s feeling. Okay, girl, so here is the brown. I love it. This is my favorite one. I don't know what it is about a brown lip, but when you put on a brown lip, you look like you did your face. I don't know what it is. I am looking at myself in my little viewfinder and oh my gosh, this has turned me into a lip oil girl. This one has definitely changed my mind. Oh my goodness, girl. I gotta get ready to go out like this. Yes. These last 2 launches have been Chef's Kiss. Go to thelipbar.com. They have a full-blown website. They have the things. Go to thelipbar.com. Let's support this Black-owned brand, okay? Let's help them get their sales together so they can keep getting us products that work for us, products that look good on everybody, okay? Products that actually deliver, because look, she done changed my mind about lip plumpers. She done changed my mind about lip oils. I hope you enjoyed the Lip Bar review. Let me know what products you're getting, and I'll also have everything linked down below. If you want more beauty, makeup, fashion, and the vlogs, the Hot Mom vlogs, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share. I'll see you later. Bye.
When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need